All right, it's time to clean up my damn barn and get this thing organized. I have been delaying this project for a while. It's been cold out and the barn doesn't really have insulation or heat or anything like that. So, I don't really like to be out here when it's cold. But as you can see, all of this shit just has been kind of collecting in here. I've got these picnic tables in the center. All this shit is kind of spread out, not really making it too conducive for space and for getting things done in here, which really just kind of pisses me off, honestly. I need to clean this shit up. So, things like this are sitting here, this old Hot Point fridge, which might be worth some money, maybe. I don't know if I can clean it up, but it still runs, I got the old freezer box up here in the corner and everything, and, I remember putting beer in here when I was young. Oh, we're finally getting somewhere. This is about halfway here. You can tell that the picnic tables have been slid out of the way and into the corner there and everything. I'm starting to put all the bigger appliances in the other corner there with the furnace and the water heater and shit. Got old Dolly Parton there in the center helping me move shit. And I still got a ways to go, but hey, you know what? You got to start somewhere, right? One step at a time. I'll get this shit done. Don't you worry. Don't you worry, baby. I got this. Yeah, look at that shit. All of that is put into those drawers and tidied away nicely. Yeah, buddy. All these tools are in a row. I still got to go through them and everything, but what the hell? One step at a time. All that shit's all cleaned off and nice and organized. All that's tucked into the corner. Look at this open concept floor, baby. Look at that. Oh my God. What am I going to do? What am I going to do with all this extra room? Oh my God, all this extra room for activities. I don't even know what. Look at all this extra room for activities. Kicking around here. I'm going to build some bunk bed. I don't even know what I'm going to do with all this extra room. Holy shit, this is liberating, let me tell you what. Yeah, look at that open concept. That middle of this barn is spacious and ready for some fucking spring projects, baby. Bring on the summertime.